Hello everyone, and welcome back again to my channel. This is Stella Secret Place. In today's video I am going to be making egg roll. Okay guys, I'm going to show you guys the process in which I'm going to make the egg roll. Some people make egg roll while they first of all fry their eggs, but today I'm going to boil my egg, and this is the egg that I'm going to use. I have to first of all add in baking soda into my water. That will make it easy for me to peel the egg when it is boiled. So these eggs are ready to be peeled. I will go ahead and start peeling out my egg, and the peel is easy because of the baking soda that I added to the water. You can see how easy it is for me to remove the shell. So these are my eggs. I'm going to put them aside and allow it to dry. By the way, do not overcook your egg. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting my baking flour into my bowl. I'm going to measure 2 cups of baking flour. So those are the 2 cups. I'm going to add baking powder to the baking flour, and I'm adding sugar to it. That is 1/3 of the cup of sugar, and I used a lemon zest. You can use any flavor that you want. I just decided to add lemon zest to it. So now I'm going to mix all my dry flour. I have 2 eggs. Break your eggs in a plate so that you make sure that the shell of the egg is not in the flour, because that is what you don't want to eat. Chewing shell of egg in your food is horrible, so make sure you don't have shell in it. So the eggs are mixed. That is 2 spoons of melted butter. I'm using everything in room temperature, so I had to melt the butter because it just came out from the refrigerator. Now I have to mix my butter, the egg together. Don't forget that the dough for meat pie is different from the dough for egg roll, because you want your egg roll to come out crispy. Sorry, I have to pause because my neighbor's dog just started barking. So I have my milk in the mug, and is warm, so I have to work together with the milk and other ingredients. This time I have to use my hands to mix up everything. Don't forget that the dough for meat pie is different from the dough for egg roll, because you want your egg roll to be crispy. So I'm going to mix it. It depends if you want your dough to be light or thick. So I have mixed my dough. I'm going to cover it up and allow it to sit for a few minutes, about 5 minutes. Okay. So this is 5 minutes, and my dough is ready. I have to cut it in shape, in sizes that I'm going to roll. So as I'm dividing it into the pieces, those are the sizes that I'm going to to roll with the rolling pin, and each of those pieces is for each egg. So I have to roll this to a flat surface whereby I can use the dough to cover up the egg. You have to put it in a way that it fits in, and you make sure that the dough covers round the egg so that the egg will not be open, because when you put it in the hot oil, that may crack it open. So make sure you seal it up very well. You see what I'm doing? Like so. Seal it up very well. So that is what I will go ahead and be doing till I'm done with all the dough. That is the second egg roll that I'm rolling with the dough. Cover it very well. Make sure it's well sealed, and you have to roll it to take the shape of the egg. So this is the egg roll that is ready to be fried. I have to put my vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Heat up your oil. Don't allow it to be too hot, because you want your dough to be well cooked. If it's very hot, the dough is not going to fry. So fry on a low heat. As you dip the egg roll in your frying pot, turn it around so that it will not stick on the pot. You flip it around to make sure that all the sides are well fried. You don't want to eat egg roll and the dough is raw. So this is what you have to be doing. You have to flip around in a low heat, not too hot oil. So you see the second one that I'm frying, the oil is getting hotter. At this point, I'm going to reduce the heat because I want my dough to be well fried. So this is the egg roll. It is ready, and you can tell that it's looking delicious. That is egg in, that is your dough that has egg in it. You wrap your egg with your dough. So guys, thank you so much for coming along with me. I do appreciate. Till I see you all in my next video. Bye bye.